We're going to now change a rear light bulb on a car. It doesn't matter which one, they're all basically the same. This is a 2013 Renault Clio. How to change a rear bulb. On this car, we've got a couple of Torx drives here. Some might have screws, or it might be internal. You have to take the panel out, put your hand in the back. You might have a couple of screws to undo, or the cover, the bulb holder, might just unclip and come out. It's got a couple of little tabs to put. And that slides out. Just jaggle them out slowly, because they'll have like a locating tab which goes in there. Let's get the plug off. I'm just going to pop the tab. There we go. So there's a little tab here. It's to come back, springs back off a little hook. And then you can take that plug off. Now we've got the light out.